Get that black, yo. Queen.
Hey sis, it's your girl Susie and we back at it with another one. So if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's good, what's popping. Y'all already know what to do, so y'all, I'm gonna get right into it. So this is going to be a super simple and easy video on if you're trying to make your pants bigger, if you got some jeans that you don't want to give away, and you just want to make them bigger so you can wear them again. So basically my client had reached out to me and asked, can I make her pants bigger because she got a little thick and she just really wanted to wear her pants. They was brand new. It was her birthday. So at first I'm like, make them bigger. I don't know. Maybe you can bring them over and we can, figure something out. But right now I am basically going in and I am taking apart the seams right here where it was threaded. This is so much easier if you got somebody holding the other side because you can cut it right away. And then I did go ahead and cut the waist part off cam. So I had her come back over so I can basically measure like the fabric and how much extra fabric that she would need. So that's basically what I did here, and you see it's already pinned. So of course I didn't want to record that while she was here, so I am showing y'all how I put everything down. She got this shirt that I matched it up really good with, y'all. Like I found the exact same colors. So basically I am pinning everything down and folding this little gray part in so we can get like a cleaner edge part. And like I said, this was super simple and I really like to have this turned out or whatever, but she wasn't able to get good pics of showing the pants, but I don't feel like it really needs to be showed because she just wanted the pants bigger. So right here I am cutting off the little excess fabric that I am not going to use so I can get a better sew, and I am just literally going to sew right here in the areas that I point out to you. And y'all, oh my god, I have like 2 weeks until I go to LA for my very first modeling event. Oh my god, y'all. But this is how it's looking. I really liked it. Like, it was coming along. Like, at first I was so scared. I'm like, I don't know how this is gonna look, but actually, like I said, I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew across like so. But yeah, y'all, I got 2 weeks into my model event, and y'all, they just finished the one in New York and it looked like it was busting, and I am just getting anxiety because I don't know how they want me to wear my hair, and they have not contacted me and told me anything yet. So it got my anxiety like through the roof. But anyways, so yeah, this is how it's looking. So basically I am going to go ahead and cut off the excess fabric. I think I already showed y'all that, and then we're gonna go ahead and sew in between the leg part or whatever. But yeah, y'all, oh my god, my anxiety is like through the roof right now because, like I said, they contacted me and let me know who my designer is, but I tried to Google my designer. They don't have any type of information for I can look them up, and I have to wait for them to contact me. I don't know how they want me to wear my hair, so I can't kind of like base my outfit. I got a free photo shoot that I'm trying to see what I want to make to wear out there. Oh my god, y'all. So this right here, I am just sewing like the inside of the crotch area where we added the extra fabric, and then I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. But yes, y'all, I can't wait till they contact me because I just feel like this is just like last 2 weeks and y'all expect somebody to, but whatever, I'm excited. Hopefully they get back to me tomorrow so I can get what I need to get done, my hairstyle, pick my outfits, and y'all, I get to walk on the red carpet, so I gotta get an outfit for that. But y'all, this is it on the video. If y'all want to hear more about the LA trip or whatever, make sure y'all comment down below, and also I will be vlogging that trip, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And this shirt right here is Zora Clothing. The Instagram is Zora Clothing Live. I would list everything down below. That's the website if y'all want to shop. I hope I pronounced the name right, but y'all, I matched that color up to a T. Like, yeah, get into it. But this is some pictures that she took. Let me know what y'all think. I love you guys so much. Alright, bye. Peace.